Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a wig from Unice.
It's actually a glueless. It's supposed to be a glueless. We're going to try a glueless. We're probably going to add some tapes. Let's see how the tapes go, or we just resort to using our spray. I like my spray. It's very simple. It's easy. I don't feel any issue with it. It's water soluble. It comes off even with your perspiration. So I remove it nightly and then reinstall it next day and wash it every 3 to 4 days before the lace crystallizes and thus causing a tear. Okay, so guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget the notification bell. That one, you click the all, select all, so you can be notified of all the videos I am posting here. All right, thank you. Let's get right into it. So these are the things that came in the bag, guys. Some tapes, a wig cap, and a stitchy, the wig. So look at the color, guys. The color. So this wig is an 18-inch 7x5 curly. They call it Jerry curls, not less. Okay. Guys, let's look at the wig construction. It has a strap, like a brass strap. You can adjust, you know, it's a 7x5, means it's 7 inches across your forehead and 5 inches parting space from here to here. So this means the middle part here has lace, right? You see that curve? And the sides would have weft. The sides and the back would have a stretchy dome with wefts sewn onto it, whereas the front is all lace. Next we have is a drawstring for the back to make the wig tight and adjust it. Then we have a comb clip. You notice the edges, guys. The edges, they have like a zigzag pattern. Yes, we've deliberately created that way to create, you know, an uneven look. One ear to the next, you have a silicone band attached to it, help secure, and then the drawstring. So I'm going to put the strap around my head. The 7x5, it's right here. Try to make it symmetrical to this existing part. So guys, it's supposed to be worn as glueless. As you see, it can be. Just trying to blend the lace with my skin. The tint. Just gonna add some water. I want to take these finger curls out and try to keep them, but I think they're coming out. They're so pretty the way they came. Look at the back. It's a very nice wig. Like, if you want to wear your hair shoulder length because it looks a little bit more sophisticated or professional, then this is the wig for you. This is the curl. It's not too poofy. It's not too much, you know. Sometimes some of them really too much. I think this is a 150 density. Not too much. I don't like it too much. I'm also gonna add some curly products. It is so pretty. Don't forget to like, guys. I know you like it. Oh my. I love it. This is the product. N2 Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. Very nice on curly hair and your natural hair as well. I'm smiling with my wig. That means I like it. I don't want to do too much of this. This is all glueless. Can you imagine that? A little bit of baby hair to take away that blunt look. Okay, what I'll do is add some wig tapes. It actually holds. It's not going anywhere. Whether you use the glue or not, it's not going anywhere because there's just too much adhesion going on the sides, you know, the clip in the back, the strap, and the drawstring. It's not going anywhere, okay? So don't worry. We'll do some baby hair. See that, guys? So I just picked out two sides here. Yeah. See that? I use some foam to form. Foam it up, girl. The foam gives a more definitive forming of the curls and the shape of the wig. Don't be afraid to use your foam. Okay, use it generously. But you have to use it fast because it dries quickly. You can also use gel, you know, the styling gel. Yeah, and the black styling gel or the clear one. You can use any form of gel actually and just throw it in there. Baby hair brushes decorated. Just dab a little adhesive here. as well for a minute, and that's it. Guys, look at the cut. Oh my god. Like, look at that. We can have attitude, you know? Excuse me? Like, yeah, you can flaunt this wig. Yeah. Guys, it's nice, isn't it? I don't have to do anything in here. It's already taking the shape, taking the color of the cap. So, nothing. Easy squeeze, Cosmo Riot. Look at this. Taught the truth. Guys, I love it. I just need to get these tuned up. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Please come again. Share, click that notification bell because you need to see every upload I drop, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Please come again. Look at this. Guys, you can put some more finger curls in it. Just gotta wet it. I use some mousse. To get back some finger curls. Obviously not the same as how the factory made it, but hey, you can do that. See, it's lovely. The color is happening. Okay, guys, let's model it. Damn. Guys, you can even use a comb, press down. I don't need to do that. I'm sorry. This wig is complete. It's comprehensive, and it's not very expensive. You know, because it's a 7x5. If it was a 360, it would be way more. But I'll be rocking some 13x4 and 7x5 for now because they're way less costly. Got a little bit of something there. Good dab. This is a mousse. It's a tinting mousse. Just buy the shade that you think is suitable for your face. And you dab a little. See? You can add some adhesive to it too, some more adhesive if you want. Softer version. It got to be glue softer than this one. You can use it. You know, I don't like to put it on it, but and this is this one called Glueless, okay? With a touch of spray. Yeah, let's be honest. Thank you guys for watching. And put some oil sheen if you want.